Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mira's World. Here again. If you are stopping by for the first time, please kindly consider hitting the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. I really appreciate. I am all smiles. I am super happy. I like the feedback I got from my other videos. Oh my goodness, I never knew I was so loved. Like, giving up was never an option, and it's not going to be an option. So you know what, I am going to be in your faces. I'm not going anywhere, but then I will not be posting frequently because I'm going to be more laid back, re-strategizing, and taking all your suggestions into consideration, and then drawing out a plan that is going to suit me and suit you, and at the end of the day it's going to be a win-win situation. So I'm really happy. I'm really glad. Some of you went as far as sending me email. Thank you so much, Doreen. I really appreciate. I mean, I'm touched, I'm loved, and this just like is motivating me the more. Like, I'm double geared up to like fire. So the thing is, I'm gonna see if I can post once in a week while I re-strategize, and then after a short while, I will come back with the bang, and I know it's gonna be dope. Anyways, let me not digress too much. Today, according to the title of the video, 2 or 3 people or more than 5 people actually suggested I make this kind of videos, and I decided to try it first because I feel like it's something I already know about. It's something I'm currently doing, and I feel like I can start with this and also share these tips out for people out there that are looking for different sources of income. Like, I was complaining that YouTube wasn't paying me so well, but then I'm not hungry and I'm not suffering. I'm not homeless just because I have other streams of income that are literally helping my life. So without further ado, let us hop straight to what this video is all about. Yeah, guys, I have written down a whole bunch of stuff. Not all this, just a few pages, and I'm going to be telling you guys at least 7 streams of income that you are gonna like get involved with in 2022 that will blow your mind. It will make you a millionaire in 2022. And this is mostly for people that are in their 20s or early 30s, that are still energetic, that still have sharp brain to learn more. I'm not saying that if you're in your 40s, 50s, you can't do these things, but if you are like dedicated and you are, you know, geared up and fired up to learn more, then I bet you that you are going to succeed with these skills. So the first on my list is getting a full-time job / a full-time business. I know this sounds funny. I mean, getting a job doesn't seem easy, or starting up a business isn't easy either. But then trust me, when you get a full-time job or you start up a business that is able to cater for your expenses, at least 3 months of your income should be able to pay for your rent. An extra 1 month of your income should be able to handle your feeding for 6 months to 1 year, while the rest is going to handle miscellaneous. This adds up to 5 months of expenses, letting you save 7 months of your total income in a year. Trust me, getting a job that allows you save 7 months of your salary in a year, man, that makes it easy for you to become a millionaire, right? Because you're not going to be hoping on just this job. It is just one stream of your income. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and get your CV, re-strategize, go out there and get yourself a good job. Also, if you're not going to do the job, or you feel like working is not your thing, 9 to 5 is not your thing, then go ahead and start up a business that should be able to cater for this needs. I know many people will be like, everybody has a full-time job or full-time business. That's not true. It is not everybody that has a full-time job or a full-time business that can sustain them and also be able to make them save 7 months of their salary outside the expenses. So let's read down to number 2. Number 2 on my list is freelance jobs. There are so many freelance jobs on the internet. What do you need to do a freelance job? You need an IT skill or general soft skills. If you're not a tech person, it's fine. You can learn general soft skills like video editing, graphics designing, You can learn how to be a customer care representative. You can learn Excel. You can learn PowerPoint. I mean, there are a whole bunch of soft skills out there that you can learn. So don't worry if you're not really a tech person. I'm not telling you to come and start learning how to code HTML or Java or whatever, but get an IT skill or a soft skill that can make you get a freelance job. I have enrolled in Upwork. I think I am in Target. So there are different freelance website that you can enroll and sign up and then start making money during the weekend, or when you're free. You can actually like select your timing and do your freelance job. There are different freelance websites like Target, Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork that promises to deliver amazing results for you. Once you know what you are doing, go over there, sign up, and you're good to go. Next on my list cannot be overemphasized, and that is cryptocurrency. I understand the whole dipping and the whole whatever, but trust me, study the graph, understand how the market works, and start trading, or at least saving your money in Bitcoin, because the way the world is evolving, the future is Bitcoin. Even many tech people are slowly moving to crypto and all those things. So don't say I don't know what that's all about. I don't know. There are a whole bunch of videos here on YouTube that will teach you how to trade cryptocurrency. And then trust me, I know people that have become millionaires. Anyways, I wouldn't come over here to tell you what I've not tried. I actually started crypto November, and I can tell you how much I've made / how much I've lost. But then the win for me is always on the higher side because I'm trying to study the market. So before you start cryptocurrency, you need time to study. Go over on YouTube, meet people that are already doing it. And then you want to study the graph and then start doing crypto. I mean, blockchain, cryptocurrency is the future, and I don't know what you'll be doing right now if you don't even have an idea of what it's all about. So you want to be a millionaire in 2022, go learn how to trade cryptocurrency. Come back here and thank me later. Another smart one on my list is drug shipping. Drug shipping has been something that's been there for the longest time, but just recently many people started doing it and it is working wonders. So what does drug shipping mean? Drug shipping is simply something you can do at the comfort of your home without having to step out, as far as you have your phone and your internet. Now, how it works is go over to the internet, decide what you are interested in selling, and then go over to the pages of people selling it, take a pictures of it, repost it on your platform, and then add your own price. And then when people order from you, take out your own and then go to those vendors, buy it and deliver it. And that's it. You don't need capital for that. You don't need goods. You don't need nothing. All you need is your phone and your internet, and you are good to go. And then if you have a good following on the ground, then good thing for you, because you're going to blow real soon. Please remember me when you make it in life. Ta-da! Next one on my list is creative design and videography. I know this is part of the soft skill I talked about earlier, but I want to talk more about this because this is making money for people right now. I know some of you are watching me, and most of you watching me are YouTubers, and I know some of you paid money for your intro, some of you paid money for your outro, and some of you paid money for some dope design you felt you weren't able to do. Some people are currently paying money for thumbnail. I know people that design things and how they cash out. I know someone that per design they charge 8,000 naira. 8,000 naira is roughly $24 or $25 if I'm right. That is what 8,000 naira is, and someone charges 8,000 naira per design. Tell me why you will not go and learn Photoshop, learn Canva, learn many stuff, and then learn Adobe Premiere Pro, or probably iMovie. Not iMovie. What's that one for iPhone? For Apple laptop. Skip my mind. I might put it here if I remember, but if you remember, leave it down below on the comment section. Why don't you go and learn all those things and start making money from your creativity? You know what I mean. The next on my list is social media management. Okay, currently I have a lot of pages I'm handling. I am not supposed to be revealing this, but I know how much I'm making from social media management. I am not a digital marketer, but I decided to learn just that part of digital marketing, and I know how much I've learned since I started. I started after I came back from Tanzania, which is in August, and I've done social media management for 5 months now, and I can tell you how much I've made from social media management. And this is aside my job, aside my YouTube, aside the crypto I started, aside the freelance, even though I've not really focused on the Upwork and gotten many deals, but then I've made a whole lot of money in social media managing. So how does that work? Get your phone and an internet and go around and look for people that have businesses or small businesses and they need someone to manage their Instagram account, Twitter account, and Facebook account for them. They need someone to post for them. They need someone to do little designs for them. They need someone to run ads for them, and they need someone to reply their customers. And that's it. You have an agreement with the person. They give you their password. You sign a non-disclosure agreement. They're not going to mess around with their password, and they trust you, or probably you bring a guarantor or something like that, and they give you their password. And then you start managing their account. You design, you upload, reply to their customers. Trust me, it's not as hectic as you are thinking right now. But then try it because it's worth it. Come back and thank me later. The next on my list is social media influencing. This is the part I've not really dived into because I don't have a large number of following on my platform. But trust me, I have 17,000 followers here on YouTube, and I have done some influencing job. I've done some influencing job for Illibat. I've done some influencing job for what's this guy's name? I've forgotten their name. I've done some for a large number of people, a few number of people rather, and I know how much I've made from them. So imagine you having a large following on Instagram, on YouTube, on TikTok. You know how much you're gonna make. You see these guys that dance around on TikTok, you think they don't know what they're doing. You just be hearing shum shum after dancing and doing all those things. What is even wrong with me? Am I actually joking right now? But seriously, after dancing and doing all these things, these guys sleep and they are cashing out while they are sleeping. Because when a large number of people watch their videos, someone will be like, oh, I have this hair I'm selling, can you help me influence this? And then they come and be like, oh, my hair is from this guy, blah 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 blah. Before you know it, they've cashed out and they have advertised that product for somebody. So why don't you think of building your following on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok? I mean, TikTok is actually topping social media right now. So why don't you try building a career there and come back and thank me later? I am still trying to build my TikTok following. So if you are interested to see my crappy videos on TikTok, I will leave it down below on the description box. Make sure you go follow me, and thank you in advance. The next one is social media business marketing. So you don't need to have your business offline because you want to struggle or because you are born for struggling. No, social media has helped us a whole lot. So you can have your goods at home, take pictures, post them on social media, pay a certain amount of money to advertise it. Instagram will help you advertise. Choose the people you want to be your audience and advertise your product, and boom, you are selling off. I started a business on Instagram as well. I'm only giving you tested and trusted stuff, even though I halted because I had a whole bunch of stuff I'm doing. But like I said, I am managing someone's social media, and I know how she is selling out, and I know how he is selling out, and I know how they are selling out. Even though I put my own on hold because I feel like I have a whole bunch of stuff I'm doing, which I'm even trying to streamline so that it doesn't be like I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff and I'm getting little. I want to do the ones I'm sure that has so much to gain from. But then it is good to have at least 3 streams of income. So if you want to streamline your own just the way I'm trying to do, you can go ahead and do that. So why not try social media business marketing? Put out your business on social media. Do not relent on your offline shop and whatever, and come back again and thank me later. The last but not the least is currently what I'm doing right now: content creation. As I am making this content, trying to give you tips, trying to enlighten you, I am in turn making money for myself. I've been doing YouTube for the longest time, even though I've not gotten to the extent I want to get, and I know I'm not where I used to be, and I know I am making the little changes I'm making, the little change I'm making from YouTube. So why don't you consider being like me? Become a content creator, make videos on YouTube, make videos on TikTok, make videos on Instagram. Showcase your talent, let people know what you can do, and make money in return. Content creation is not only about making videos. Some people do speech writing, some people do social media write-ups, some people do blog write-ups. There are a whole bunch of content you can create and make money. So if you're the type that is camera shy, then you can go ahead and do the write-up. If you know how to write, design is also a content, you know, just go out there, explore things and make money. When you're young, you're vibrant, you have the power, you have the strength, you have the time to turn around things in your life. Why don't you grab the opportunity? I came here to say this because I know that so many people have been pondering and, you know, wondering how they're going to make money this period, because trust me, this is a jet age. Everything is moving fast. Social media is taking over everything. Tech is also wrapping over everything. So why don't you go ahead and utilize the internet and make money? Most of the things I mentioned here can be achieved or is easily achieved using the internet. So why don't you go ahead and explore the internet that you use every day of your life? Now, talking about full-time job, do not say there is no job in Nigeria, because you can be in Nigeria and you can work abroad. Everything is actually like revolving. All you need to do is to learn good skills, because the world is going technology right now, trust me. All you need to do is to learn good IT or tech skills that will take you to the next level. Even if you're not from a tech background or something, all you have to do is to go online, use your internet like I'm saying, and learn those skills. If you want me to make a full breakdown video on different skills or different job descriptions that are literally under this tech, because when people hear tech, they think it's just software development. If you want me to make a full detailed video about different jobs that you can actually learn, and you know, you don't need a university certificate to work as a professional in those part of IT or technology, then let me know. Drop it down below on the comment section and I will do just that. So talking about tech is really broad. So if you're looking for a full-time job that can, you know, make you save 7 months or at least 6 months of your salary or more, then go ahead and drop it down below in the comment section. I'm going to make a detailed video about that. For now, I don't want to talk too much because I feel like longer videos are really exhausting for people to watch and comprehend. So I feel like it's better I make it short. Let me know if you find this video educative, informative, and interesting to watch. Let me know below in the description box and I will take notice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was insightful, and I guess that brings us to the end of this video. If you love this video, then do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Until then.